Oh, baby, don't cry. It's okay. Happy Halloween! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm making Satan's Spawn. This is an old Halloween favorite that I made so many years ago. I've made this a few times for potlucks and people are always really grossed out when they see this little deviled egg that looks like a little Satan's fetus. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. My close friends are throwing the most amazing Halloween party ever. From the decor to the food and the costumes, everything is spooky. To contribute to this occasion, I know that my Satan spawn will really creep them out. I'm going to start with 12 boiled eggs. I'm going to cut this egg in half and I'm going to reserve the yolks. Make sure to clean the knife in between. I'm going to do this with the rest and I'm going to reserve all of the yolks for the filling later. For this recipe, I want to make sure that I don't see any specks of yellow, so I'm going to make sure to clean out the egg cavities with a damp towel. I have a 1/4 cup of Sriracha sauce here and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of gelatin and I'm going to mix it. This is just gelatin that has been dissolved in a little bit of hot water. I'm going to add a little bit to each one of my egg whites in a very sloppy manner, and this is going to look like a bloody amniotic fluid. Because it's Halloween, I love that I don't have to be perfect. The messier, the better. I'm just going to stick this in the fridge, and because of the gelatin, it's going to set really quickly. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the filling. Using a mojito muddler, I'm going to mash this, making sure to get all of the lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and continue to try and get this as smooth as possible. Add 2 more tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. I'm also going to add some salt to taste. You don't have to, but I'm going to give my Satan spawn a more flesh-like color by adding just a little bit of food coloring. To pipe the deviled eggs, you're going to need a disposable icing bag, and I have 2 tips, a 12 and a 4. Cut the tip off, and using a plastic tip coupler that comes in 2 parts, add the tip and screw it shut. The best way to fill a bag is to prop it up in a glass or a jar and fill it. I'm now ready to fill my egg cases. I'm going to start with the big tip, that's the 12, and I'm going to pipe a blob for the head and a more elongated shape for the body. Now typically I pipe all of the bodies first and then I go in with my smaller tip to finish the rest. But just to show you how it's done, I'm going to switch the tip and I'm going to pipe the horns, the arms, the legs and a tail. I'm going to switch back to my big tip and I'm going to pipe all the heads and bodies. As smooth as you can get the filling, there's always going to be tiny lumps that will clog up your small piping tip. Keep a toothpick handy and just keep clearing it. For creepy looking eyeballs, I'm going to add a coriander seed to each one. To smooth out the piping strokes, just take a brush and wet it and just stroke it over the little Satan spawn. These creepy little Satan spawn are ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Satan spawn. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. From our family to yours, happy Halloween!